All you need to know about edge banding FAQs. What is edge banding and why does it exist? Put simply, edge banding solves a problem in furniture making. The problem being that wooden borders have a raw edge when cut, and this raw edge, when felt uncovered, can pose serious problem of your furniture. Not only do raw edges look unattractive, but they also cause moisture to seep in, which causes the wood to warp, and this, in turn, significantly reduces the wood's lifespan. It's also very damaging to the appearance. Edge banding are the thin strips that go on and on of the raw wood boards to cover it up. Edge banding protects the wood panels in your furniture from moisture, thus reduces the effects of atmosphere humidity and liquid spills. What about the advertisement with the engineered wood? Isn't this water resistant? Modular furniture is made using engineered wood means that the wood is treated and made resistant to moisture. However, wood is predisposed to absorbing water, so it cannot be fully altered by treating it. Wood has a natural tendency to absorb water, and that cannot be changed completely, can only be reduced. Edge banding is therefore still necessary. How does it work? The process covering the raw edges of wood panels with edging is called edge banding. The narrow strips are often referred to as simply edge tips. Edging tips is a commercial environment. Edge banding is completely used in industrial-grade machines called edge banders, and using a hot melt adhesive as well as a hot melt glue. Is this form of some plastic adhesive edge banding machine can be adapted to the special requirement for processing thermoplastic edge banders up to 3 mm thick and up to 50 mm wide. What are the differences from edge banding? Edge banders can be made to wood PVC, ABS, PP, PMMA PET Laser Edge, PVC, ABS, PP, PMMA laser bending, wood veneer bending,